set the inspiring ideals without any fear. A girl of 19 who stood for the rights for female education but shot by terrorists for being an activist from our neighboring country, Pakistan. And this girl is Malala Yousafzai. Our 11th standard students are upcoming with emotional story to inspire one and all. I request audience to look forward to this heart-touching skit. It would make you really cry.
Dear friends, we are going to present before you the skit An Angel with the Wings of Fire. Our characters are Malala and her family, Doctor and his group, Malala and their friends, Dignities, Pathan Bhai and his companions. This skit is based on the education activist Malala, who strived to transform the societies where educating a girl child is considered as the least priority. As we are living in the modern age, we all believe that nothing is impossible. We can reach the moon and maybe soon will land on Mars. Then in this 21st century, we must be determined that our dreams of quality education for all will also come true.
Jafar, go and see who has come.
Yes, Papa.
Oh, Pathan Bhai, please come in. Happy to have you in my house. Please sit.
Just a casual visit, Bilal, since I was passing by.
That's nice, sir. I am happy about it.
Oh, you have got 3 children?
Yes, I have 2 sons and a daughter. They all are studying.
Do you send your daughter to the school?
Malala, Qasim, Jafar, go inside.
Look, Bilal, I had a servant girl who used to work at my house, and she has escaped from my house, and I am happy to see your daughter capable to work in my house. So stop sending her to school and send her to my house to work. I would pay her a decent salary.
But I am not willing to stop her studies. I will decide and let you know, sir.
Okay, decide well, Bilal. See you soon.
What happened to you? Why do you look so worried? Who had come to talk to you just a while ago?
Yeah, Pathan Bhai had come to visit me, just like that. But meantime, he noticed our daughter and asked me to stop sending her to school. Instead, he wishes to take her for work in his house.
Look, I feel it's something good. Someone is taking her for work, and moreover, girls are not encouraged to study in our society. It's better that she goes for work.
But I want to study, Abbu.
I want our daughter to study and become something different in her life.
Look, educating a girl child is unusual in our society.
See, being a woman, you two are not given freedom to express your opinion. But I, being an educated man, I discuss everything with you.
Now her parents understand the wish of their daughter and allow her to study further to relish her dreams. Meantime, the very next day, Pathan Bhai comes to Malala's house and again desires to take her as a slave girl.
Hello, Bilal. So, as I have spoken to you yesterday, I have come to take your daughter today.
No, she will not be coming anywhere. As per her wish, we have decided to educate her.
Ha ha ha, educate her? With whom did you discuss?
With my wife.
Your wife? She is a woman and she has no role in decision making.
I respect her involvement in every aspect of my family.
Okay, you will bear the consequences, Bilal. I will not let you sleep peacefully.
Few years have passed by. Malala has grown up with the positive note from her parents. She has become the source of inspiration to many girl child from her locality. She goes around and makes aware the girls and their parents the need to educate their daughters. There are lot of changes in her locality. Meantime, these developments are noticed by Pathan Bhai and his companions.
Oh no, she's trying to transform our society. She's trying to go against our customs and practices. We need to stop her. We need to stop her by all means.
We shall kidnap her.
We should threaten her and tell her to stop all this.
No, let's shoot her and finish her up.
Yes, that's the great idea and the exact solution to the problem.
Amidst constant threats to her life, Malala continues to do the noble work without any hesitation and fear. As usual, one fine day, as she was out on her work, her enemies finally target her. She is shot right on her forehead. She is being rushed to the hospital. Malala begins to regain her health. Now the whole world comes to know about Malala and her amazing works for equality of girls and their right to education. She makes aware of the need to educate a daughter as equal as a son and build the nation together towards the growth. And for this noble cause, she is awarded with the highest international award, the Nobel Peace Prize.
Very good evening to one and all. We have gathered here to honor courageous Malala, who sacrificed their life for the sake of girl education. Now, may I request her to come on stage. Please give a big round of applause for her.
Congratulations, Malala.
A big salute for your courage and determination in making aware of the humanity of a changed worldview. God bless you.
Thank you.
On this happy occasion, I request you to deliver your message.
Terrorists thought that they would change my aims and stop my ambitions. But nothing changed in my life except this fear and hopeless died. Strength, power and courage was born. I am the same Malala. My ambitions are the same. My hopes are the same. And my dreams are the same. We realize the importance of the light when we see darkness. We realize the importance of pens and books when we see guns. Malala Day is not my day. Today is the day of every woman and every girl who have raised their voice. Let us speak up our books and our pens. They are our most powerful weapons. One child, one teacher, one book and one pen can change the world. Thank you, one and all.